Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to set up a completely free online store using Google website in 2025. No coding, no hosting fees, and it is perfect for beginners. So whether you are selling any digital product, any handmade item or service, this particular setup will get you covered. So first of all, you need to come on sites.google.com. You can also search for Google site and create your blank website. Over here, first of all, you need to give the name of your website. So you can type something like my art shop. Now, first click on the publish option in the top right hand corner of the screen so that you could save your name here. Now, in the right hand section, you will see a bunch of different options that you can insert in this section. Like you can insert the text boxes, images, layout, and something from your drive. So each of the product include the photo, name, and short description and the price. So you can use these. You can also select the content block and it will come something like this. So let's say you have added this content block. Here you can upload 3 photographs of your product. So you can click on the select image option. From your drive, you can upload the image. Let's say I want to insert this image and this is my first product. So I'm going to be clicking over here. Now simply click on the edit text and you can uh, type something like click here or buy now. You can type anything over here, right? Now you need to select this particular text and then click on this link option. Over here you need to provide the link whichever you want to paste it so that they could redirect on the payment page. Here in the bottom you can give the price of this particular product just like so. So you need to keep on adding the products, and once you are done adding it, click on the publish option here in the top right hand corner of the screen. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.